What is up, guys? How are you guys doing? So, listen, I'm actually gonna just do a reflection. I should have made a video for you guys yesterday. I did a watch list on Monday, and yes, they're all pumping in the right direction, guys. So, if you're not in the Discord group, connect, plug in, get into the group, guys, because I make a watch list and I also go into the lounge and I do a live market. A live market watch list and prediction, guys. I do that all live. You guys can ask me questions, so feel free to join the Discord group. I'll leave a link in the description below. Definitely, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe, plug in, guys, leave comments, like the videos, dislike them, whatever. Definitely just work on your growth and also your trading, guys, because this is the move, this is the way. So in today's video, guys, I'm actually going to keep it pretty straight to the point. I'm actually just going to go over some trades that still have a lot of potential to keep running. These are the trades that I actually took last night or today. And yeah, guys, I'm already up like 120 pips in one day, and that's off of one setup. So, but I actually took some other trades as well. But yeah, that one was the runner. So also really quick, I want to give you guys a little heads up. So I do not trade, like if you're in the Discord group, I don't trade the assistant or the ATS 4.0 with the assistant and all that. I don't. What you see is what you get, guys. This is what I trade. I trade a naked version 2 ATS chart. That is it. That's all you guys need. Don't overcomplicate it. It's not complicated, man. And this is a free chart. Like there's people in the chat that are paying $800, $1,200 a year for this, and it's free, guys. I mean, if you like blowing money, if you're already profitable, then yeah, definitely buy it. But listen, like pay once and just use it every day. Like I don't. Anyway, yeah. So this is what I use. This is all you need. You don't need nothing else, nothing fancy. That's all you need, and you just need a system, guys. That's it. Find a system. I'm giving you guys a system. I'm giving you guys exactly what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything special, nothing different. This is exactly what I'm doing. I'm calling these trades live, and they might be working out, they might not be working out, but obviously I'm not going to win all the time. But it's not about winning all the time. It's about just compounding compounding on a weekly basis, guys, right? There's going to be a couple losers or whatever, but yeah. So, like I said, ATS, you could find this free. I don't even have the newest one. I mean, I have the newer ones, but I have them all. But that's the only one this is the only one I like. This is the only one I use. This is the one I prefer. If you're in the Discord group, this is actually a free indicator. I will post this version 2. I think everyone likes the version 3. But yeah, it'll be in the resources. All right. So I just want to get into this really quick, guys, and what setups you guys could continue to trade because they're still nice and fresh. So I predicted that Euro New Zealand was going to be a short. I actually got into the trade right here, guys, right here earlier today, or was it yesterday? I can't remember. I think, let me see. Oh, I don't have my other phone. Yeah, so I got into the trade right here, and it went about a little over 80 pips to the downside, 130, oh my god, 130. So I didn't get in right there. I must have got in a little bit later then. But I'm up like 120 something pips. So let's see. Yeah, I must have got in a little bit higher. But listen, guys, this trade is still going to go down. I believe it's still going to hit this level here. This is going to be the next level that it's going to hit. So this could definitely be your profit too. Just look how beautiful these candles are. You could definitely change your stop level to the top of this candle right here. And you could write it out. Take your partials right there. I actually took pretty much a majority of the trade off the table, especially when you're up that many pips. Don't give it back to the market, guys. Like, I know you want your take profits to be hit. I know your system, but at the end of the day, like, take partial payments. Always increase your margin. Take money out the trade. If you're up 100 pips, it'd be retarded if you let that go back to 25 pips, guys. Take money out the trade, all right? Follow your rules, but also if you're up 25, 30 pips, and it's, you know, it's Asian session, take some of that out of the table because you know it's going to retrace all Asian, and then London, it might go back down. So, you know, sorry guys, I'm digressing, but definitely if you're looking at a trade, Euro New Zealand, I definitely think it's going to continue shorting down. If you go to the hourly chart, this is going to be a nice level that you could take. As you see, it's retracing right here. As you see, my take profit was hit, which was this liquidity line right here. It was such a mover, like look, I got in like right here, guys. Boom. So yeah, I think it's gonna retrace. It might, I might retrace to this level here. So let's just move this down. You know, move this down right here. Change the color of it. It might get to that level there, but that's just gonna be another area where we could enter in back into the trade. And if it goes up here, then we're gonna take it all the way down to this level here, which is 100 pips, guys. And this is a mover. This ran today over 100, like 170 pips, 200, 201, 210 pips today in one day. I definitely think it's gonna hit these levels here, but the overall level that it's gonna hit on the daily is this level here, guys. This is gonna be the overall level that it's gonna hit. Just look at that doji candle right there, right? Look at that doji candle right there. I mean, that's beautiful, guys. The next candle is definitely gonna be a strong red candle, and it's gonna shoot all the way down to this level here. So with that being said, you have about 200 and something pips to go, guys, and it's barely Tuesday. So last week it all retraced, and we're gonna have these candles going down. It's gonna break this level here. It's gonna break this level right here, right? This level at what, 1.55327. It's gonna break that level here. It's probably gonna break it this week. And then once it breaks it, it's probably gonna trace back up. But this is gonna be the next key level. So Euro New Zealand is definitely gonna be a seller for the next couple of weeks. If you look at the weekly, we had a little bit of retracement, but it's usually because there's no liquidity lines down here, or there's a strong resistance level on the monthly, which it is. Look, we have this right here, this expansion that it needs to break through, which it's gonna break through, and once it breaks through, it's then gonna continue to drop down here, which is 500 pips, guys. So definitely keep this in your watch list. Definitely trade this setup. Definitely make a little bit of money off of this for this week, right? Like I said, put your stop right here. Boom. It might retrace up there. This could be your next key level here that you could take. But at the end of the week, I definitely think it's going to be down here. And this is that daily expansion line. All right. So that's one. This is another one. Looks identical to New Zealand, right? And it's going to do exactly the same thing. I traded this one as well. And yeah, man, this was a good mover. This is actually, I put in my lounge, I went over these exact setups. So these are exact pairs that I was looking at in the lounge, and these are exactly what I'm trading. And they're happening exactly how I said they were going to happen, guys. And I'm no wizard. I'm just using ATS software. Like, this software does it all. So, like I said, we needed the new expansion line going to the downside on the 4 hour. We got it. And then we're going to switch to the 5 minute and get a better position, which we did. And yeah, guys, we entered in, sheesh, this was our stop. I think we possibly entered in right here, actually. Yeah, we entered in right here, and we took profit probably around, I think it was like 98 pips. Quite a bit, let's see. Yeah, at this level here. So yeah, guys, that was a strong push. Like, this was a good day, really, really good day. And listen, guys, you guys could do this as well. Like, this is, I'm not doing nothing special. I'm not doing nothing special. You guys could do exactly what I'm doing. And let's see. So EuroCAD, Euro Austro, these are exactly the same setups. One thing about this is you gotta pay attention to the spreads. But as long as, I mean, the risk to reward is like 1 to 5. So you're risking like maybe 28 pips. I think my stop was like maybe 32. I think, or my stop alert was at 32. But I mean, my take profit was like 90. So, and I plan on getting back in this. This is a setup I plan on getting back in. I'm actually in it still. So, yeah, guys, definitely, maybe this is probably going to be the next level it's going to hit. Right when it hits it, this is going to be the take profit level right here. This one as well, a good setup as well. Everything's going down, and all these setups I'm showing you, all of them, all the expansion lines are all going short. So even though I'm looking at the 4 hour, everything else is short. So don't worry, I'm not bending any of the rules. The rules are the rules. This one, I think it's going to retest. I think it's going to come back up to this level here. So I wouldn't adjust your stop quite yet. I think it's going to just touch it, maybe do a little kiss, and then it's going to retrace, guys. It's going to continue going short. As you see, this to be the next level here, and this is at a liquidity line on the 4 hour. So this is about, I think it's like 50 pips, 90 pips, 90 pips, guys. Listen, go to the 5 minute, get an expansion line, very low risk because it's Asian. And London session, you're going to be down here. This is going to be the level you're going to be at. So these are all the setups that I'm in right now. And this is actually ones that I'm watching. New expansion lines, especially to the upside. We have a lot of potential to continue going up. That's 300 pips. This one, a new expansion line as well. And this one just broke out. If you go to the daily, boom. This one just broke out. The expansion line is kind of weak. I mean, this is a strong candle here. I would like to see it push to break this. Once it breaks that, it might retrace a little bit. But if it did retrace, I bet it'll continue to go up, and that's another 80 pips. But because we got these 4 setups right here, guys, we're not really looking at the other ones. These are really easy pickings, and like I said, these are the setups that I'm looking and paying close attention to so I can re-enter in and add more to my position. So if you are trading, this would be the setups. Today is April 4th or April 12th, Tuesday, 2022. And yeah, guys, so hopefully you found value in this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, subscribe, and join the Discord group, guys. Ask me any questions you want. I answer as quick as possible on there, and it's a lot easier to answer, guys. So if you have questions, or if you need this indicator, anything like that, you let me know. Just go in the Discord group, definitely subscribe, and send me a direct message. I'm living with Forex. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys have a good day. Sorry for the length of the video, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.